guys, so I got a present from my sister-in-law a couple years ago. It's been a while since I have picked it up, but it's a really cool wood burning tool. And I'm taking my pencil and I'm drawing our family name on this frame that she gave me. And I've had it just on my wall plain for like 2 years, but today I got inspired. And so I'm going to put my family name on it. This is so much fun. And the harder you push, the darker and more burnt technique looks. And it will like really smoke up that thing. It's gonna look really good. Now that I have the right template that I have for my letters, I'm just now going back over the letters and pushing much harder and getting that really dark burnt indentation that I'm looking for. Just like in D, I'm really pushing hard, and I'm going to go back over the letters and make them a little bit more blackened.
Thank you so much for watching Handy Mandy Canada. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell in the corner. It helps notify you when I make new videos.